What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're getting a close-up look at the Hot Wheels Card Culture Door Slammer set. Let's go ahead, open them up, and get a closer look at them. If you would like to pick up your own Hot Wheels Card Culture Door Slammer set, check out granatoys.com. I will link it in the description box below. And on the back of each card, you can see all 5 cars from this set are displayed, including the 1971 Porsche 911, Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA, 1971 Datsun 510, BMW 2002, and the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. Well, unfortunately, the file of me actually opening up these cars got corrupted, so I'm going to show you each one of these cars one by one. Let's get started. Because this is a premium Hot Wheels Car Culture set, every one of these cars will have Real Rider tires on them. And here is our first car. It's a 1971 Porsche 911. And our second car is the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. Car number 3 of 5 is the 1971 Datsun 510. Car number 4 of 5 is the BMW 2002. And car number 5 of 5 is the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. In the comments section down below, let me know which is your favorite car from this set.